What's up, guys? Ken and CJHQ here, and it's a rare sunny day, so I thought I'd give myself some fun and go for a ride. And you know, even though it's still cold as shit, gotta have fun, right? I swear, this mirror is never in the right place. But I hope you all are having a fantastic day, and hopefully the quality is better. I've been fucking around with my shit, but also at the same time, so hard. Because GoPro does not offer the best. Okay, that's what. No, but oh dude, that sun is just in my eye. But today we're gonna be talking about how I first ever got into motorcycles and how I ended up getting this Z1000. I should have worn my other helmet, but that one just doesn't have a GoPro mount. And every time I stop talking, my shit closes. But, so basically, the first time I ever was on a bike, it was a 2020 Honda Grom 125cc. Dude, I fucking hate this helmet. But, basically, Honda Grom 125cc. A lot of fun, a lot of shit, you know, and I started with my dad teaching me in parking lots, and I basically just rode, had him teach me until I got my endorsement. But I remember one of the first times we were in a parking lot. It was like this season. It wasn't the best weather. It was rainy, but not also at the same time not fucking like terrible out. And so he was teaching me about braking, and I did the one thing you never do on a motorcycle. As you're leaning, I pulled in the front brake, and obviously that did not go well. The helicopter shit, yeah, I fucking sorry, I had to. But yeah, no, as I was saying, those helicopter things made me slip. Bike fell on me. On a Grom, only like 100, 200 pounds, I forget exactly. But it was not fun. I'm a little bit of a pussy. So after that, for a while, I didn't touch the bike. I didn't want to learn how to ride anymore. I was like, fuck this, isn't for me, blah, blah, blah. But then, slowly, I started, getting more into the groove of it, and I wanted to hop on again. And so I started just riding the bike, every day as a daily, because, it was better on gas, all this shit. And then one fateful day, I was riding to work, and someone pulled out in front of me. Luckily, I didn't get hit. I've been in a motorcycle accident before, but luckily, this was an accident. But the reason it was so bad was because they ran a stop sign, and basically, I pulled in. I fucking locked up the brakes and went over the handlebars because I'm an idiot. I basically did a stoppie, and no one's behind me. I can go slow, so more thinking. But basically after that, I said fuck riding bikes for a while. I had a lot of PTSD with it. But YCDG, my homie, he bought a bike. I started going over there. We started practicing wheelies. He got a dirt bike, all this fun shit. Basically got my love of riding back, and it's a huge part of where I am and what I'm doing today is because of YCDG. But basically, like, I'm hetero, play a bitch like Nintendo. But basically, nothing good. There's always something bad that happens. You never have 100% good shit. So, like 4 or 5 months after that, when I started riding with him, I was on my bike I was going to KFC, I think, I forget. It was a school zone. I was going like 20 miles per hour, and this chick fucking just hit me. She was saying she didn't see me, but I don't know if my Honda Grom that I've posted on my on my YouTube before, it's a bright red Grom, and it's still fucked up. But basically, first ever accident, got a no endorsement ticket. That was ass right after getting hit. But this time it was different. I wanted to get back on a bike. I wanted to hop right back on and just go ride. I didn't care, but obviously the cop wouldn't let me ride it back home. So after that, I've just been chilling. Couldn't ride it because was in the process of getting my endorsement, and damn it, it is fucking cool. Bought these heated gloves so my hands are fine. But where am I going with this? But basically, it's what right here. But basically, after that, I didn't have a bike to ride because the cops knew it. So I basically went out and bought my 250. Bought that like 8 months ago now, which is fucking crazy to think about. In an 8-month span, I have gone from a 250, and I still have that 250. Plans are coming to make that my fucking trick bike. I'm gonna fucking stunt bike. But just fucking 8 months later, I'm on the Z1000, which I have no right on being on, just because this shit is on a whole nother level. And it is just absolutely crazy to think. And no matter how much I enjoy it, shit always comes to an end. Like, luckily it's December, January, fucking spring is right around the corner, and I will be able to ride all the time during summer again. And you better hope I'm gonna be pumping out fucking videos, and I'm thinking about doing some IRL streams, because I wanna do a road trip this summer. I wanna do a bike trip, and I feel like it would be really cool to be able to vlog the whole thing, just let shit just be awesome. But it depends. I don't know where YouTube's gonna take me, live's gonna take me. Everything is just up in the air. But that's the goal. And that's where I am in my motorcycle journey right now. And sorry for babbling on. I really wasn't doing anything that entertaining speed-wise or riding-wise. It's wet out, but I just wanted to talk to you guys, give you an update about my plans for the future. And I just want to have a conversation with my subscribers and my fans. Even though every day the fans dwindle just because I'm not a gaming content creator anymore. I've fully switched. which I get. A lot of people sub for me for games, and I kind of just said, fuck that. I don't even fucking stream that much anymore, and yeah, hopefully I'll still grow. This is the content I love doing. I do enjoy video games. It's just, video games are like a de-stressor after a day. And streaming, I love doing it. I love communicating with everyone. But fucking just having to like constantly put up not a facade, but like make sure you're engaging with everyone, being social. But I've kept you guys long enough. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, evening, whatever time it is for you. And I'll see you in the next video.